Well folks, that did not go very well at all. I've crashed my drone, my first ever flight, Koh Lipe in Thailand. I lost the signal on my drone, so I did a return to home. My return to home point was that table there, which is absolutely stupid. I don't know why I did that, because look, you've got all these trees next to it. The drone came back and it's crashed. I think it's up in that coconut tree up there. It's up there. Ha, we've been shaking the tree and all sorts. We can't get it down. So the manager's got a guy that's going to come out. He's actually going to climb the coconut tree and retrieve my drone for me. So yeah, I can't believe that. I am the worst drone pilot in the world. Oh, chicken. We got the drone back. Thank you.
I found the drone already.
Oh, we found it.
Where did you find it?
The top on the tree.
So that's where I started from. That's where I started from.
They go to take the
Okay.
and they saw the drone.
Oh, thank you.
Drop on the tree.
Okay.
Now they ding already. Yeah.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Where's the man that found it? Shall
We're gonna reward him $1,000.
Yeah, where is he?
Now he in the.
He's in the tree. Can you show me?
Maybe we give him and he can manage how much you want
Yeah.
to share to him.
You can
He
share.
put in 1,000 baht.
Okay. You want to give or? Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, you
Thank
say.
you so much.
So, stand by. So this is your name is Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah.
Are you the manager or the owner of this resort? Are you?
Wow, you deserve
You are the
it.
manager.
You're very
Okay,
good.
thank you very much. So,
Thank you.
and another guy here was helping me. We found it. Look. Look. Is it okay? Can we save
You
it?
are the one who found this?
No. He's the drone man.
Drone expert.
Yeah.
But
Wow.
it's broken. It's broken. But on
Is
the,
it?
on the arm. On the
On the
serial
arm.
number.
I know.
Okay.
It's repairable?
Can we find?
Yeah. That's because it's normal.
It's normal.
Normal.
Brilliant.
Flash.
Normal.
We want
Well, looking. Oh, it's really hot.
broken arm.
I know. So this man here is taking us to a mobile phone shop, computer shop down here. We're going to see if they can just repair it. 'Cause it might just be the wing actually. So Nook is in there talking to the chap. I'm not sure they're going to be able to repair this. I'm staying out of the way because if they see me, then obviously they pump the price up. So I'm going to show my face now. Any joy, darling?
Sad news that
Bad news?
yeah, he said the plastic broken and no spare part.
No spare parts,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, cannot. He doesn't think any phone shop can repair it.
Okay, but at least we
Sad
tried.
news,
At least we tried. All right, thank you for trying anyway. All right, where do you want to go next now? Got this man here.
Shall we go back now?
Or do you want to do a tour on the bike for like a little while or not? No?
Up to you, your decision.
Yeah, we could do. So we are now going to, where are we going now, Nook? What's the beach?
Sunset Beach.
Sunset Beach, okay. How many beaches, this is a test, how many beaches are on this island?
3.
3, what, can you name them?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Pataya Beach.
Yes,
Sunset Beach.
yes.
And Sunrise Beach.
And Sunrise Beach, yeah, that's good, correct. Perfect. So this is Sunset Beach, located on the west side of the island. It was 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so very hot, so just some people watching. Without doubt, this is my favourite part of the island. We actually return in the next film. We're there for sunset, some really good vibes, really good atmosphere, and a big plus folks, mosquito free. Look, narrow. I wish I went to a school like this when I was young. It's the best school in the world, look. So some education and then look, straight into the sea.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you tell these children that they go to the best school in the world, and I'm very jealous.
Yeah, I like to
Yeah.
see that.
Translation.
น้องอยู่หน้าชายหาดเลยเหรอครับใช่ค่ะ
Wow.
บอกว่าดีมากเลย
It's fantastic. Can you ask them, can they concentrate on their work okay, or do they think about the sea all the time?
เขาถาม
Awesome.
ว่าเวลาน้องเรียน ยุดคิดแต่เรื่องมาเที่ยวทะเลเรียนได้ Yes they can study
Oh, they can study. Ah, and when they finish school, they go swimming after they finish school.
เวลาเลิกเรียนเราไปเล่นน้ำได้ไหมบางทีครับ Someday
Sometimes.
they go down to before go
Do they? Oh, lucky, very lucky kids, very lucky kids. Very. One last question. Do they like football? Do they like football?
Yes,
Yeah.
they like it.
Ask them, who do they support? Who do they like? Chelsea,
ชอบทีมฟุตบอลไหนทีมเชลซี
Manchester
แมนเชสเตอร์
Liverpool.
He likes Arsenal
Oh, Arsenal. Oh, okay, and Arsenal. Oh my God. Pump shop Chelsea. Chelsea, guys. Thank you. See you later. Thanks. Bye. Another YouTuber. Pleased to meet you. We have to say like this. You have to go boom. Okay. No, that's okay. How many subs have you got? Did you say
30,000.
30,000. Oh wow, you're pretty big. What's your channel name, mate? Yeah, bigger than me.
Fun for Matt.
Huh?
Fun for Matt.
Fun for Matt.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got that. So we'll put that in the description. And I'm Jim Andrews in Thailand. So I'm just filming today. But I like this idea. I like the umbrella
What a good idea
because I can't see anything. I'm struggling. Yeah. Good. That's a good idea. I need one. Good. All right, we'll check you out. What sort of films do you do?
Yeah.
What sort of films do you do?
No, I just
Travel?
I asking people an interview.
Oh, you interview? Yeah.
How long will you stay on this
Wow.
island?
1 week.
Oh,
1 week.
we are here 5 days
5 days, yeah, good. All right, no, nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet
We'll
you.
check you out. Good luck. Oh, yeah. Where are you from? Can I ask you? Huh? Great. You having a nice holiday?
Yes.
It's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. No, thank you. Yeah, lovely. Wow. So, folks, I lied. We have 2 7-Elevens on the island. This is a new one. This is really big one, and it's located. Pataya Beach is just down there. So you're going to land there in the ferry. If you decide to walk, just come down here, and there she is. And that's a really big 7-Eleven in there. So, welcome to Walking Street, Koh Lipe. Right, we are going for some food. I've got a fabulous restaurant down here, and it's called The Box Restaurant. And they do European food and Thai food, and very well priced. And it's just down here. Maybe a 5-minute walk, if that. So yeah, wait to see this food. I'm fancying a nice chicken burger actually. But yeah, this is Koh Lipe. Very quiet. There's not many people here at the moment. And this is the start of the high season. So let's hope that things improve. But if you're into your snorkeling, your diving, everywhere you go, you've got these places like this. Hello, give us a wave. Can you give us a wave? Thank you, Captain Crab. So there we go. It's all action-packed. Massage girls. Are they going to give us a wave? Can you get a wave? Can I get a wave, girls? No? Okay. All right, no. Oh, I've got one there at the back. All right. Thank you. The massage girls. Oh, some at the back there. The old ones always wave, don't they? So there you go. Oh, it's a bit of a climb, this. So the box is just up here on the left-hand side. And tonight I'm out with 2 beautiful women. I'm a lucky man. Nook and Sue are taking me for some food. So yeah, this is the Box Restaurant. It's all sorts here. Spanish, Mexican, European, Thai, you name it. They do it, folks. And this place gets really good reviews. Wait till you see the food. Most of the dishes, I'm not going to go too mad on the menu. You can't see this. We're having burgers and stuff. Burgers are like 300 or 400 baht here. They're not too bad, but yeah, really big menu there, folks. Lovely beer. You got a bar there, and yeah, like I said, this is Walking Street. And oh, Madame Yoo-hoo. Let's see if Madame Yoo-hoo is going to say hello. Madame Yoo-hoo. That's her there. Look, Madame Yoo-hoo. Where are you? Where's Madame Yoo-hoo? Where is she? She's not here. So yeah, there's a woman that sits there, and she says to you, yoo-hoo, and she's not there. Where's Madame Yoo-hoo? I've come all the way from England to see Madame Yoo-hoo, and she's not there.
Just modest, Madam.
Oh, where is she? Where is she? Is that Madame Yoo-hoo? No, Madame Yoo-hoo? No, she's not. No, okay.
Just a moment.
Is she going to come? Okay.
She come with me. Oh,
Soon.
half.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I come to see her. She's famous.
Yoo-hoo,
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. All right, thank you. Well, we will come back and I will introduce you to Madame Yoo-hoo. Yeah, she's world famous. So there you go. Right, folks, is the food ready? Yes, let's see. Wow, what's that?
One. Penne arrabbiata, Thai style.
Thai style, thank you. Captain Cap.
Crispy pork belly. Yeah.
What is it, sorry?
With crispy belly pork. Or
Crispy pork belly. Crispy pork belly, okay, yeah, that looks nice, good. Okay, that's number one. And number two, look at this. Wow. Okay.
Crispy chicken taco.
Okay, oh, that looks nice.
All spicy.
That looks nice, yeah, very nice. And then mine is a monster burger, look at that, wow.
Burger for you.
Look at that, thank you very much. Captain Cap, thank you, well done. What's your
Welcome.
Hello.
Welcome to Thai Lady Pancake Shop. Thai rice 70 baht, burger sandwich bucket 70 baht. Beef
Wow.
food and good.
Wow.
Welcome. You can chicken menu first.
Wow.
Tom yum massaman, green curry soup, red curry soup.
Thank you.
Burger sandwich, Thai pancake.
Wow.
Yeah, you sure?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm looking for Madame Yoo-hoo.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find Madame Yoo-hoo. Where is she? Is she here? No. I can hear her. Is that?
Yeah, Thai Lady Pancake Shop.
Okay.
Very.
Maybe later. Thank you. I'm looking. Madame Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. How are you?
Thank you very much.
I know. I came from England to see you. You're famous on YouTube, aren't you? Okay. Yoo-hoo. Okay. We'll see you later. Good price, yeah. You're a very, very famous lady. Do you know that? You're very famous. All over YouTube. Very famous. Yeah, very famous. Okay, Madame Yoo. Huh?
Where come from?
I'm come from England. Pleased to meet you, Madame Yoo-hoo. Okay. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. Bye. There you go, Madame Yoo-hoo. And right next to the Box restaurant, so you can't miss her, folks. So yeah, lovely woman. Bye. Well, folks, what a great time we've had. Have you enjoyed yourself today, my little Chinese dog? Take two, yeah, this is take two. Yeah, we always get take one wrong, don't we, really? No, I've had a cracking day out. Really good food there. And a great day out, folks. So if you like the film, give us a thumbs up, please. Think about subscribing. From Nook and I, see you soon. More to come. Bye. Ciao, ciao.